Meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
It's pretty quiet and hard to see in Carolina Beach right now on our Stevenson Skyview camera network, but a much different scene earlier today.
Yeah, so I want to show you this time lapse from Carolina Beach. And you can see off into the distance there was a storm that really kind of blew up near Wrightsville Beach, and you can see dropping some heavy rain, kind of just pushed off the ocean, and then the sun went down, and lots of people saw lightning, heavy rain, some gusty winds. We actually had a report down in Horry County of 61-mile-per-hour gusts.
Wow.
So yeah, it was a few little hairy moments, I guess, this evening, and we have a chance for more storms as we go into the next couple of days. So let's go ahead and look at some viewer photos that I have. Some of you guys sent these to us. Lonnie Weaver in Wilmington sending this one in of the storm clouds right around sunset time, so you can see those pinks and yellows, gorgeous shot there. But like I said, some kind of scary moments with some lightning strikes, cloud to ground lightning and some cloud to cloud lightning. Jessica in Supply sending this one into us, and one more, Tresh. Awesome shot, but you also got to be very careful when lightning's outside. You don't want to be outside. Thanks, guys, for sending those in to us. You can always share your photos with us on Facebook and Twitter. You can always add me on Facebook and Twitter as well, like sharing them on air and online. Everyone likes to see those nature photos out there. Thankfully, things are much quieter now at the Island Airport. 77 degrees, dew point 72 with a calm wind. Still seeing some light rain fall down in Wilmington, and a few little areas also seeing some patches of sprinkles right now. But the weather headlines, that heat is going to be somewhat easing down over the next couple of days and just kind of giving us our temperatures around our seasonal averages. Storm chances increasing as we go into the first couple days of the new work week. But once we get past Tuesday, it's just going to be that typical summertime weather pattern where it's dry for the first half of the day, and then we see those showers and storms spark up with the heating of the day. So what we're watching is a front down to the south that's already making its way closer to us and lifting to the north. That's going to spark some showers after lunchtime tomorrow. Might even actually hold off into the late evening hours. But you can see those darker colors coming into play again, so some of them could be on the strong to severe side. You'll have to have that in mind in the afternoon. Starting out 7 a.m. on Tuesday, things will be quiet by then, and then in the afternoon we'll have a chance to see a few more storms. I think tomorrow, the best day of the next 7 to see some rain. So the Storm Prediction Center does have southeastern North Carolina under a marginal risk for severe weather. So that means gusty winds upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour, frequent lightning, heavy rain, and even some small hail will be possible with those storms that do develop. 50 to 60% chance of rain for our Monday, and then lessens each and every day. Wednesday through Saturday, just about a 30% chance. So an isolated to maybe a spotty storm is possible. Most areas will stay dry, so have to keep an eye on the sky tomorrow afternoon. Those storms will be coming to an end tonight. Mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will fall down into the middle to upper 70s, and for the afternoon tomorrow back up into the 90s. Going to be a hot one. Partly sunny skies with scattered storms developing in the afternoon. And it's each and every day we have those storms, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Thankfully, the tropics are quiet, so our attention is on that heat every day as well. We'll be in the lower 90s, very typical for this time of year, but our dew points are just well into the 70s, and at that point it makes it feel a lot hotter than it actually is. So probably actual temperatures in the 90s feels like 100 degrees.
It sure does. Maybe even more.
Yeah, at least it's going to be a little bit better from last week.
All right. Thank you, Helen.
Yeah.